Hey mom, are you about done checking out the groceries?
In just a moment, Chris. I'm almost done paying the rest of the groceries.
Wait a minute, what is going on with that kid over there?
Son, how dare you misbehave in here? That's it, I am giving you a whooping.
Oh my god, that kid is being duped by his mother. I've got to save him once and for all.
Chris, what are you doing?
Yay, I'm finally saved.
Wow, the fire alarm is too noisy and is polluting my ears.
Dave, get your ass up now. I don't have time for your childish whiny attitude. We need to evacuate the building immediately.
Where the hell is my son?
Go Black Bear. Did you see that?
Yes, Yellow Horse.
It looks like some kid falsely pulled the fire alarm inside Kroger, and his mom is chasing him.